What's up YouTube? Today I'll be making a video on trying to try out for aggro. Now, currently I am making these videos right now on my laptop until I can actually get my Streamlabs actually set up. You know, I currently only have one monitor, so it's really hard. So, without making it's really hard getting it to be on the same screen because it makes me lag, you know. So the quality might be doo doo. I'll still have a mic. I'll be able to talk to you guys on Streamlabs, and that's introducing me. And my grinding name for aggro will be Flood. Now, aggro the fuck up. Peace.